Why are you always sneaking up on me, bro? Stop.
We're just playing what we're doing today. We need to finish the rear subframe, put the bolts in, and then we need to actually like make a list of everything we're doing on the window we started. But then we can actually start checking it off. So when we're like together the 1 day a week that I'm here, maybe 2 days a week, then we can actually just like get on doing whatever it is instead of just finding something. Because otherwise I get way too distracted jumping from one project to the next.
So decent with packaging.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Okay, lighting was a must, and then also probably cleaning and putting stuff up there, but...
There's not a huge mess over there.
No, don't go around to the other side. There's not a mess over there.
Right, okay, yeah. Let's get started.
Argon compressed. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Alright. So, last time we were messing with it, the nut in there broke off, and I mean, that one's probably not far behind it. So, as we go, I think we're just gonna drill a hole like we did that one on the back side here, and then we can just set the socket in there, because we have tons of random sockets and they're perfect for that. Just set it in like so and just TIG weld it, and it works. And then if it ever breaks, we can just go get another one and do the same thing, because hell, I could just go dig through another tool bag we have and go get another one. But small, but at least it won't do it again, or we won't have any more issues with it. Can see you cracking it.
No thanks.
We're gonna get that Anakin Skywalker. Perfect. We'll let it cool down. Alright, it's all threaded in there. Shouldn't give us trouble ever again. We just need to make those, just like it's like 40 of them. We'll be ready on any Subaru we ever buy. We'll have them. Alright, so Moist Mike just tacked it in place, but we like cut them kind of similar to this one. Now we're plating them, and we'll like cut them wherever we need to, and then we'll have to cut the spot for the rack out later. We're kind of figuring out as we go. So far we're just like, I don't know, just planning on tubing it, I guess. But yeah, we're just gonna weld all this in place and then cut off what we don't need. the best, but how's it going over there?
Hand me that.
What, the grinder? I thought you were handing me a hammer.
No, with your hand. I got that. I ain't going nowhere.
I'll kick it. Just freehand that shit. Freehand master. Alright, well, we're gonna see. We're gonna check your work tonight.
It's your drawing, bro.
That's pretty good. Well,
You still time lapse, or did you switch it over?
it's normal now.
Okay.
I knew I
You want me
need.
to hold that in the camera while you tack that in place?
Sure.
Do you want it underneath, or do you want it on top?
I don't know. Trying to feel where it'd be like.
It looks like if you go just like that. It should be pretty good.
Trying to find this.
You should be fine on that side. Just put it back on the other side. I guess that might work.
Close your eyeballs. Confident. Yeah, I'm not surprised it's getting a shit ground where it's at. Yeah, let's tack another spot here.
Hold on a second.
Watch your eyeballs.
Right there.
Got the grinder, I'll grind it at a good spot. The helmet's like needs adjusted more. I just don't want to move it. It's a nice grinder. I leaned up against this. It's still really
Still a little
warm.
spicy?
Yeah, it's still a little warm. Well, now we gotta find another spot to put the camera. We might have to like bend it a little bit, but
Yeah, so just go through and get it welded on good and solid, and then we'll grab the hammer and bonk it in where it needs to be.
bonk it in and then figure out what to do with everything else.
Yeah.
Thanks for the camera. Yeah, we got them. I mean, ow, fuck. I mean, they're like together, you know. We'll have to pull them out so I can actually weld the back of them comfortably, because now that they're mostly welded together, shouldn't warp at all. Just like getting the low corners of it. But I haven't used your welder in like 3 weeks, and I think your welder was the last one I used. It's not bad. I mean,
Not bad.
it's not great.
$100 Amazon welder.
Yeah. Meth break.
All right, that's gonna about wrap it up for this video. Next one, we'll hopefully get the subframe finished on that, and then go from there. But make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, hit the little bell so you get notifications when I upload videos. Like the videos and share them. See you in the next one.